Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. It's got a 3.6-liter V6 engine. It's got 17-inch wheels. Still some good tread on those tires. This is just a base model 4x4 Jeep. It does have your manual windows with your manual locks. Dark black cloth interior. It is a very clean Jeep inside and out. It does have your climate controls with your SIRIUSXM radio. It does have your removable top. Fun in the sun. Seats do fold forward. Coming into the back. The back seat does fold down for extra storage. Here's the driver's side. It does have your steering wheel controls for the radio and Bluetooth. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport.